Inside Villa Enso, $40 million mega mansion in Marbella. The first thing you notice about Villa Enso, this $40 million mega mansion in Marbella, is how effortlessly it blends power, beauty, and calm in a single moment. Every corner of its 12,000 square meter plot seems to whisper luxury, while the 2,500 plus square meters of living space invite you into a world only a few will ever experience. Before we step inside, make sure to subscribe so you never miss another tour of the world's most extraordinary homes. And tell me right now, if you had a villa like this, what would be the first upgrade you'd add? From the moment your feet move along the long private driveway, you can feel that this property wasn't built just to impress. It was built to control its environment. The landscaping is intentional, artfully shaping the approach so that the home reveals itself slowly. Olive trees, sculpted shrubs, and tall palms lead your eye toward the mansion's bold glass and stone facade, where sharp horizontal lines intersect with warm natural textures. Even from outside, the house carries a presence that feels both futuristic and grounded. As you reach the main courtyard, the architecture opens up with floating pathways set over reflecting pools. These water features mirror the sky and bring a sense of serenity before you even enter the villa. The front of the home is dominated by full-length glass walls, making it feel as though the exterior and interior bleed into one another. Yet the grand pivot door remains the star, a massive slab of wood and steel that swings open silently, like the entrance to a private art museum. Stepping inside, the first wave of energy comes from the massive double-height foyer. Natural light sweeps in from towering panes of glass, illuminating every angle. The air feels crisp, the kind of clarity you only get when a space is designed around openness. You see the floating staircase immediately, a sculptural center point crafted from glass, steel, and natural stone, appearing weightless yet commanding attention. Beneath it, the reflection of light on polished floors creates the illusion of motion even when the villa is completely still. The main living area stretches out in front of you with a sense of calm dominance. You're surrounded by luxury, but nothing screams for attention. The design philosophy here is minimalism raised to perfection. Wide open spaces, soft neutral tones, and the strategic use of natural stone, textured concrete, and premium oak. Floor-to-ceiling sliding panels disappear into the walls, erasing boundaries between inside and outside. The living room features a long linear fireplace framed by natural stone, giving the entire room a warm anchor. The seating layout is open and adaptive, large modules that can shift for intimate moments or luxury gatherings. This home wasn't designed for a family of four. It was built for events, celebrations, and unforgettable nights. From the living room, the view explodes outward. The entire back facade faces the Mediterranean, offering a panoramic canvas of blue that stretches endlessly. When the sun hits the water during late afternoon, the villa feels like it's floating above the coastline. Connected to the living area is the dining space, designed to hold a long table that seats 12 or more. A sculptural lighting feature hangs above it, gently glowing without overpowering the room. Every material here was chosen for harmony. Soft fabrics, matte finishes, and seamless cabinetry that hides storage until you look closely. Beside it sits the kitchen, and this is not your typical luxury home kitchen. Villa Enso offers a dual kitchen layout, a sleek show kitchen for daily use, and a full professional kitchen hidden behind sliding doors for catered events. The show kitchen features state-of-the-art appliances, white marble countertops with dramatic veining, and a large island that blends into the living space. The professional kitchen, on the other hand, is designed for serious culinary work. It's fully equipped with premium stainless steel appliances, hidden refrigeration, and industrial ventilation, something you rarely see in residential properties. Walking further, the main floor transitions effortlessly into wide outdoor terraces. These exterior platforms stretch along the entire length of the mansion, each corner designed for a different purpose: relaxation, dining, sunbathing, or entertaining. The infinity pool is the highlight, appearing as if it's pouring directly into the horizon. With its wide steps, underwater loungers, and long lap-length design, the pool is both beautiful and functional. At night, the LED lighting transforms it into a glowing ribbon. To the left of the exterior lounge areas, you find an open-air bar with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, perfect for summer nights when the coastal breeze rolls in from the Mediterranean. Retractable pergolas allow the space to breathe under the sun, or turn into a shaded retreat during midday heat. As you explore the grounds, you realize how massive the 12,000 square meter plot really is. Manicured lawns, quiet pathways, stone lounges, and lush native vegetation form a private oasis around the property. Every corner feels like a retreat, yet all roads lead back to the central architectural masterpiece. Heading back inside, you move toward the private quarters. The ground level includes several guest suites, each designed with its own theme of warm textures, premium finishes, and private terrace access. These aren't secondary rooms. They are crafted with the same attention as the master suite in many homes. Each suite includes a walk-in closet, luxurious bathroom, and dramatic views. Then you enter the master suite. This space is the epitome of modern luxury, expansive, quiet, and incredibly refined. The bedroom area is positioned to maximize the Mediterranean vista, with sliding glass panels that open onto a private terrace. The room includes a lounge zone, integrated lighting, and a concealed entertainment system. Behind it, the master bathroom is more like a spa-a. Freestanding stone bathtub sits carefully placed near full-height windows, giving you a sense of bathing inside the landscape. Dual vanities, rainfall showers, heated floors, and natural stone walls turn daily routines into indulgent rituals. The walk-in dressing room completes the suite with custom cabinetry, backlit shelving, and an island for accessories. As you descend to the lower level, the villa shifts from calm to exhilarating. This is the entertainment heart of the property, a full underground lifestyle complex. The first room you encounter is the private cinema, designed with tiered seating, acoustic paneling, and a massive screen. The sound experience is so immersive that even a quiet scene feels like you're inside the film. Next is the billiard and games lounge, an open space designed for social energy. A bar area is positioned perfectly to serve both the cinema and the game room, creating a fluid entertainment zone. There's also a dedicated wine cellar, where bottles are displayed like museum pieces inside temperature-controlled glass enclosures. But the true highlight of the lower level is the villa's luxury spa and wellness center. This isn't a simple sauna and steam room. It is a complete rejuvenation zone. You step into a long corridor illuminated by soft LED strips, and instantly your senses settle. The spa features a large heated indoor pool, contrast therapy showers, a Finnish sauna, a Turkish hammam, a massage room, a yoga studio, and a fully equipped gym. This entire level feels like a sanctuary floating under the home. A glass walkway leads to the 8-car garage, where car enthusiasts can display their collection behind showroom-style lighting. The floors are polished, the walls are clean and minimal, and the space feels more like a gallery than a garage. But Villa Enso doesn't stop at the lower level. When you move up past the main floor and private quarters, you reach the rooftop lounge, a space designed for sunset moments. Here you find lounge seating, a fire pit, an outdoor bar, and some of the most breathtaking views you can imagine. The Mediterranean coastline, the mountains of Marbella, and the endless sky meet in a quiet symphony of color. The history of Villa Enso is rooted in the rise of ultra-modern architecture in Marbella. Designed by a leading architect known for sculptural modernism, the villa was created around the concept of flow, how air moves, how light travels, and how people experience a space. The goal was to build a villa that feels alive, constantly responding to the environment. Over the years, Villa Enso has become one of Marbella's most recognized estates, often featured in luxury magazines and architectural showcases. Every corner of this property reflects the lifestyle Marbella is known for: privacy, nature, sun, and modern luxury. But what makes Villa Enso truly special isn't just its materials or technology, it's the feeling of freedom it creates. Everything is open, light-filled, and beautifully connected, making the home feel much bigger than its already impressive 2,500 plus square meters. As you walk through the final spaces of the home, the thought that stays with you is how effortlessly it blends sophistication with comfort. This isn't a cold modern mansion. It's warm, inviting, and deeply peaceful. The craftsmanship, the symmetry, the subtle textures, the shapes, the light, every detail works together to create a place designed for extraordinary living. And that brings us to the end of our journey through Villa Enso, Marbella's iconic $40 million modern masterpiece. If you enjoyed exploring this mega mansion, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tours. And tell me, if you could choose just one feature to take home from Villa Enso, would it be the infinity pool, the rooftop lounge, the spa, or the master suite? I'm excited to read your answers in the comments.